come here, silly man. What are you doing, Splasher? Where's that water? Uh-oh, here we go. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Thank you. Walter Royce, Mommy says sit down, please. Whoop. Thank you. What is it on your hands? Is it water?
Walter, move that bottle.
I've never seen him do that.
Gotta get my pets. Drink the water, Whitey.
Oh, ouch. Careful.
Oh, yummy water.
Super careful.
He's draining the water.
So big. So
Mommy's
big.
draining the water.
I know, you lose it all the time.
I don't want to listen to you. Be quiet.
Oh, I don't want to listen to you. I can't hear you. What does that mean, Lovey?